In this video, we are going to see how to edit your profile and create a company on Nexleon CRM. First, we need to go to crm.nexleon.com, then login using our email and password. After login, it will take us to dashboard page. From this profile drop down, click profile, and from this profile edit page, we can update our personal information and change our password. Also, we can enable or disable the email notifications for invoices, credit notes, estimates, tickets, contracts, projects, and tasks. Just make changes to your profile. Let's say we upload an image and click on update. So this will update our profile. So this way we can update our profile. Now we'll see how we can create a company. Click on workspace, click on new company. Here give it a new name that is unique and click on create. It will start setting up your account. After successful creation of a company, it will provide two links, that is for customer link and admin link. So with this link we can log in and this will take us to this dashboard.